welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my very first obviously a lot of these videos are going to be a lot of my very first videos on my channel, but this is going to be my very first declutter video. I think this part is I'm gonna do it in parts because you already know I'm recording with a limited time, so I think this is just gonna be part one, and it's going to be decluttering my skincare drawer. When I was doing my shop my stashes, I noticed that I have a lot of shit, so I just want to declutter. So let's just jump into my skincare drawer. I haven't shown this drawer yet in my channel, so let's just jump right straight into it. I'm gonna grab whatever's in the front here. So I have a few of these nose masks by they're peel off nose pore strips by Dirty Works Cosmetics. I got these at TJ Maxx. These are really good. These are the charcoal kind, and I'm definitely keeping these, so I'm not decluttering these at all. I'm gonna have a pile as well. I'm gonna have a keep, donate, and like trash pile. This is an under eye mask, and I honestly had this shit for so freaking long, so I think I'm gonna trash this because I don't even think this is good. This is no good, so I'm definitely gonna trash that. Anything that I'm trashing, I think I'm just throwing it on the floor next to me, so I know it's garbage. I also have these two masks. I don't even think they're masks. I think they're just kind of like creams in here that I apply to my face. I don't actually think it's a sheet mask in here itself, you know what I mean? I think it's just more like a gel cream or something, and you just apply it to your face. But this is by Uncle Bud's Industrial Hemp. It's called Got Hemp. This one is the Belize Seaweed Hemp Seed Oil Mask. This is for detoxifying your face. This one is the Organic Hemp Oil Collagen one. Honestly, I think I'm gonna keep these because I haven't tried them, and y'all know how I feel about my bud products. Hello. This one is a Unicorn Glow hologram mask, detox plus brightening. This is a sheet mask, and I honestly want to keep it because I think it's gonna be really cute. This is not old either. I believe I got this at Walmart, so I'm keeping this as well. Yeah, everything that I'm keeping is right here. These two masks I'm definitely keeping. I got this in my BoxyCharm. These are the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. There's two of them. I'm definitely keeping these. Now, what are these? These are the Aloe Essential Sheet Mask. These came in a box, and I pretty much used up all of them, but I don't reach for these anymore, so I'm definitely gonna donate these. Someone else will get better use of them. And these are some lip masks. These intrigued me so much. I found these in Walmart, so it's like a 3-step lip mask. I think this would be so cool, so I'm definitely keeping these two right here. This is by the Maskology. I don't know what the heck I'm saying right now. This is the Pucker Up Lip Plumping Kit, so I'm keeping this. And this I got at CVS, and this also intrigued me. This is an eye mask by Clean and Clear. It says new, so hi, why not? This is a jelly sheet mask with seaweed extract, smooth and replenishes skin. So I'm definitely keeping that here. And what else do we have in here? I honestly think I'm going to declutter this Cetaphil moisturizing cream. I never use it. I have other creams that I reach for other than this, and there's a lot of product in here. So I'm gonna donate this to someone else. They'll get better use out of this. I just got this in TJ Maxx. This is the Proactive Skin Smoothing Exfoliator. This is really nice, and I only got it for like 10 bucks, I think. So I'm gonna keep this. I only used it, I think, 3 times, and because I don't exfoliate often, I only exfoliate maybe twice a week. So this was really nice. I'm keeping this. I'm also going to keep this rose infused facial toner. I'm obviously, you know, I like it. I use it on and off because it does cause me to get a little oily. So I use it on and off when I really, really need it, but it's really nice for what it is. I'm keeping this. This is a cuticle cream. I got this at TJ Maxx. This is by Julep. It's Your Cuticles Look Thirsty. And mine's definitely look thirsty right now. Don't worry, I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. Much, much needed. But I'm keeping this. This is really, really good when I'm on the go and I want my nails to look really nice because it is cold and it's getting, you know, it's that time of year. So I'm definitely gonna keep this for my nails. This is the Bikini Zone medical cream for, you know, when you shave and no, you don't want no bumps, none of that ugly stuff down there. Hello. So I definitely like this. I'm keeping this. I'm definitely keeping my Plum Seed sleeping mask by Dear Packer. I love this. This is such a nice lip mask. I got this at Ulta. Obviously, a little bit goes a long way because it's such a thick formula, but there's so much in here. So, hello. I'm keeping that. I just got this in a BoxyCharm. This is the Dr. Brandt Biotonic, whatever, recovering sleeping mask. This is nice. I don't use it often, but I do sometimes get red pimples and stuff like that and just bumps on my skin, and you know, I put this at night. The next day I wake up and it's completely gone. The redness is gone and everything. So I definitely like this. I'm keeping that. Definitely keeping there's a lot of stuff I'm keeping. Damn, this is not going good. Multitask 3-in-1 Miracle Cream by Dirty Works. This is so nice and it smells so good. It actually does a whole bunch of things in one. It's like a toner, a moisturizer, like it's so many things that it does. But I put this all over my face, my neck. It's obviously, you know, it's well loved. Keeping that. Okay, one thing I'm definitely getting rid of. And I tried to tape it. This is so ghetto because it was opening and I didn't want it to be like splurring all over the place. But this is the Sparkling BB Cleansing Foam Balance and Deep Cleansing by, I don't know the name of that, but I found this in TJ Maxx for a few bucks. It wasn't that much. And I honestly used it because obviously, you know, but I noticed that it does leave me oily after, and I don't like that. Like anything that's leaving my oily skin oily already, like no, I already got enough oil. I'm trying to get rid of it. So I'm gonna donate this to see if anyone might get better use of it, or if not, I'm gonna trash it. Go back here. I'm definitely keeping the Sephora, what is this called? The Sephora Clean Skin Gel Cleanse Tone and Face, Eye, Neck, all that jazz. This is a cleanser. I haven't used it. It's brand spanking new because I have another cleanser in my shower at the moment. So this is a backup. So I'm definitely keeping this. Keeping this I Do Care Disco Kitten Mask. It's brand new. Haven't opened it. Don't want to open it. But it's just a little mask. It's illuminating diamond peel off mask. That's exactly what it is. But it's brand new. I'm keeping this. And I'm definitely keeping this Sephora Purifying Mud Mask. This is also brand spanking new. And I think I'm going to get rid of this Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Radiant Face Scrub. Wash and scrub, because I have that Proactive one and I like it, and my skin isn't dull, it's just very oily. So I'm gonna just donate this. It's brand new and I got it at TJ Maxx for $5.99, so that's not bad. Someone else can get better use out of that. I'm definitely keeping my little minis of the Drunk Elephant Sea Firm Day Serum, but this is the Be Hydra Hydrating Serum. And I'm definitely keeping this. I got these as a little tester from Sephora, I believe. So I'm not getting rid of this because everybody knows Drunk Elephant is hella expensive. So I'm pulling out some stuff from back here. Because it is brand new, I'm going to keep the Alba Botanica Hawaiian facial wash. This is a deep cleanser. I'm keeping this because I haven't played with it, so it's unfair to get rid of it. I'm gonna get rid of both of these products, and I'm actually gonna trash them because they're over 2 years old. These NXN products, this is the Glow Remedy Powder to Foam Exfoliator, and this is the Clean Complexion Mask. They're old, so I'm definitely gonna trash these products. I'm keeping this Sephora product as well. This is the Super Hydrating All Day Hydrating Glow Cream, or whatever this may be. I think it's like a serum or a cream, but I'm keeping this because this is also brand new. All the Sephora products are brand new. I haven't opened them or tested them out. This Skin & Co. whipped cream, I haven't used it either, so I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it because I haven't used it, and I don't want to get rid of something that I might like because I haven't used it yet. You know what I mean? So I'm keeping that. I'm also going to keep this Wander Beauty peel off mask because I love this type of stuff for my skin. You know, I don't use it often, but I think I should start. But I'm gonna keep this as well, and I'm also going to keep this LMS Superfood Veggie Mask. Keeping it. It's super good. I tried it already and I love it. It has a weird smell, but I kind of like it. But that's how weird I am. So yeah. I'm gonna keep also this Gentle Bubble Cleanser by Glam Glow. I used it one time and that was it, and I think I liked it, but I'm not sure, so I'm definitely keeping this product as well. And going into this little basket that I have here, I have, oh, that's a hair. I have a few serums and stuff in here. I'm gonna keep this Sea Rescue Replenish Water Gel. I just got this and I really like it, and I got into it because of their gel body lotion thing. I really like that. I have it on top of there. So this kind of intrigued me, and I also fell in love with this. So this is nice. I use it during the day and it tightens up my skin. It looks, it's just so nice. I like it. I'm definitely keeping all these serums in here because I use these every night. So this is it for my skincare drawer. So these are the products that I'm getting rid of. I'm gonna donate these, and I'm gonna put all this back because obviously I just love hoarding. This is me hoarding. Look, this is what a hoarder looks like. Don't judge me. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. But yeah, I'm gonna organize all of this nice and cute, and I'll show you what the drawer looks like, okay? Okay guys, this is what my drawer is looking like. As you can see, I have more space in the middle. You know, I still have some stuff back there, but I feel like it looks a lot better. Now I can really use my shit. You know what I mean? Like, I feel good. This feels nice. It's good. I like decluttering. So yeah guys, this is the finished drawer. I hope you guys liked the video. This is gonna be a little series because, as you can see, I have a lot of makeup and a lot of drawers to go through. So this is gonna be part 1, skincare. Part 2 is going to be my foundation, primers, and concealer drawer. So yeah guys, if you like this type of video and want to see more, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you're always notified when I'm uploading. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.